Hello friends, welcome to Mimi Homely Foods new vlog. After long time, today I prepared curry chawal for lunch. Curry is prepared by mixing curd, besan and different spices. This dish is believed to have originated in Rajasthan. Curry is believed to have a cooling effect on the body and is healthy and nutritious meal. Friends, if you like my blog, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Theo ready, start. Killing by eyes. Theo G gangster. I love.